Are you making these affiliate marketing mistakes without even realizing it? Every day, countless marketers leave money on the table by falling into traps they didn't even know existed. Stay tuned to uncover the top mistakes that could be costing you your success and learn how to turn your efforts into profit before it's too late. In the vast and ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing, the line between success and stagnation is often defined by the decisions we make and the strategies we employ. While affiliate marketing offers an unparalleled opportunity to generate income by promoting products and services aligned with your passions, the journey is fraught with pitfalls that can derail even the most seasoned marketers. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of affiliate marketing mistakes, shedding light on the common blunders that could be hindering your growth and diluting your earnings. From choosing the wrong products that don't resonate with your audience to spreading yourself too thin across too many affiliate programs, each mistake carries the weight of missed opportunities and lost revenue. But it's not just about identifying these pitfalls. It's about understanding the strategies and mindset shifts necessary to navigate around them, ensuring your affiliate marketing journey is both profitable and fulfilling. As we peel back the layers of affiliate marketing, we'll explore the critical importance of content quality over quantity, the undeniable power of analytics in fine-tuning your approach, and the often underestimated impact of SEO on your visibility and success. Moreover, we'll delve into the art of building genuine relationships with your audience, the significance of staying adaptable in a constantly changing digital landscape, and the value of fostering community and collaboration. This comprehensive guide is designed to arm you with the knowledge and insights needed to avoid common affiliate marketing mistakes, transforming potential pitfalls into stepping stones towards your success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing strategies, the journey to becoming a more effective affiliate marketer begins here. Let's embark on this journey together, uncovering the keys to unlocking your affiliate marketing potential and turning your efforts into a thriving source of income. Mistake hash 1. Choosing the wrong products. Choosing products that don't align with your audience's interests is a common misstep. Understanding your audience goes beyond knowing their basic demographics. It involves delving into their lifestyles, preferences, and the challenges they face daily. Engage with your audience through surveys and social media to gain deeper insights. Remember, promoting products that solve a problem or enhance your audience's life in some way is more likely to result in conversions. This approach not only improves sales, but also strengthens your credibility as a trusted advisor in your niche. Mistake hash 2. Overextending with too many affiliate programs. While it might seem like a strategic move to cast a wide net by joining multiple affiliate programs, this approach often leads to a diluted focus and a decrease in the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Specializing in a few carefully selected programs that align with your audience's interests and your own expertise allows for more personalized and impactful promotions. This focused approach not only enhances the quality of your content, but also establishes you as a trusted authority in your niche. Have you found yourself overwhelmed by managing too many affiliate programs at once? How has this affected your content quality and audience engagement? Share your experiences in the comments below. We're curious to hear how you've navigated this challenge, or if you're seeking advice on how to streamline your affiliate marketing strategy for better focus and results. Mistake hash 3. Compromising on content quality. In the pursuit of quantity over quality, the essence of what makes affiliate marketing work can be lost. Content that adds value, entertains, or educates your audience is more likely to engage them and encourage clicks on your affiliate links. Invest time in creating content that stands out for its usefulness and relevance. Consider incorporating multimedia elements such as videos, infographics, and podcasts to enhance engagement and provide varied content formats for your audience. Mistake hash 4. Neglecting the power of analytics. Have you leveraged analytics in your affiliate marketing efforts? What insights have you gained, and how have they influenced your strategy? Drop a comment below to share your experiences or seek advice on making the most of analytics to boost your affiliate marketing performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Mistake hash 5: underestimating SEO. SEO's role in affiliate marketing cannot be overstated. It's not just about incorporating keywords, it's about creating content that answers the queries of your target audience, improving site speed, and ensuring a seamless user experience. Regular updates to your website and blog with high-quality content also signal to search engines that your site is a valuable resource, helping to improve your rankings. Additionally, understanding the basics of technical SEO, such as site structure and mobile optimization, can further enhance your site's visibility and user experience. Mistake hash 6: failing to build a relationship with your audience. The foundation of successful affiliate marketing is the relationship you build with your audience. This goes beyond mere transactions and involves creating genuine connections through engaging content, interactive discussions, and responsiveness to feedback. A strong relationship with your audience not only fosters trust, but also enhances the receptiveness to your affiliate promotions. How do you engage with your audience to build a strong relationship? Are there strategies you found particularly effective or challenges you're facing in this area? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's discuss ways to deepen our connections with our audience and transform our affiliate marketing approach. Mistake hash 7: not adapting to changes in the digital landscape. The digital marketing world is dynamic, with new platforms, algorithms, and consumer behaviors emerging constantly. Staying flexible and open to learning is key to navigating these changes successfully. Whether it's adapting to new social media platforms or updating your SEO tactics in response to algorithm updates, a proactive approach to learning and adaptation will keep your affiliate marketing strategies effective and relevant. Mistake hash 8: overlooking the importance of community and collaboration. Creating a sense of community around your brand not only enhances your engagement, but also amplifies your affiliate marketing efforts. Encourage your followers to share their experiences and tips related to the products you promote, creating a rich resource of peer reviews and testimonials. Collaborating with other content creators can also introduce your brand to new audiences and bring fresh perspectives to your content strategy. These collaborations can take the form of guest posts, joint webinars, or social media takeovers, each offering unique opportunities for growth and engagement. By addressing these common mistakes and adopting a strategic approach to affiliate marketing, you can navigate the complexities of this rewarding field with confidence and success. Remember, each mistake is an opportunity for learning and growth.